the last stock MPP cold start. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Whisper Thing, and I'm back up in this thing, baby. So today's the day, man. We getting the Corsa NPP exhaust put on with the double X pipe. Let's get it, let's go.
Rest of the trap, open stars in the sky, I'ma shake some.
I see you in the scatty, bruh. I see you, dog. Alright, you guys, we got this baby jacked up. A little bit scary putting it on this car lift for the first time, just because I wasn't sure where exactly to jack from, but I'm pretty sure where I decided to jack up at. It looks like it's not going to do any damage, so I think we'll be all good. So happy to have this car lift going now, get it all cleaned out in here a little bit. Scrapage, a little bit in the corners. Ain't too bad though. Ooh, right there too. Damn, gonna let it cool off for a little bit. I'm gonna give me something to eat and we gonna get it. So Corsa has super detailed instructions. If you guys haven't seen their instructions, I showed them on my last video. If you guys haven't seen the in-depth video of this Corsa MPP exhaust, y'all need to go check that out. Y'all see the wire right there on the O2 sensor all tangled up? What is that, Chevy? Or somebody replaced it at one point. Anyways, like I was saying, y'all know your boy don't use directions, so looks like I can take it off right here. Take it off right there. These look to be the primary cats. These look like they're the secondary cats. Take that clamp off, loosen this flange right here, pull the O2 sensors out. Looks like the next point that they're attached to something, I guess it's the hangers all the way back here. So then I'll take them out of the hangers right here. Got the MPP right here. I'll go ahead and disconnect that wire back in there somewhere. Try and get them out of that hanger. Geez, that's a lot of the metal piece sticking out that I gotta slide it past that hanger, but we'll get it, y'all. All right, you guys, so Corsa's got super detailed instructions. I'm not really gonna show you guys every single step. I'm just gonna kind of go through things quickly. So you start with removing this cross member piece. I just want to give you guys a visual of what this stuff actually looks like, so that, you know, directions are directions, but visual is a little bit different. So the next bolts you got to remove, you guys, are up in here right behind the exhaust. We've got two of them in there. Y'all can see them. So one and then two over there. All right, next you guys, you want to remove the O2 sensor right here. It looks like the driver's side is in front of this clamp, so I don't even have to worry about it. Then after that, you want to remove this O2 connector right there. So I got the O2 sensor removed. I'm not going to bother with that clip because I don't think I actually need to take that clip off, and it was a freaking hassle. So I'm going to see if I can get by without actually removing that. Next, I'm going to remove these bolts here. Then unhook it from the hangers. As you guys can see, I got it propped up here. So let's get it, let's go. This is honestly the cleanest car I've ever worked under, you guys. It's so nice having a newer car. You don't got oil and stuff. I mean, I got a little bit of dirt, but it ain't all oily. And then on my Mustang, I had a solid rear axle going across. This independent rear suspension, man, this looks beautiful. Definitely the reason why these 6 gens handle like a beast. All right, you guys, now check this out. I thought I was tripping when I did the AFM valves up over here, but if you look, these actuators right here that open and close the valves, you see the way this one's facing? This side is flipped upside down. So Chevy used the same exact actuators or whatever these little modules are called, but they didn't make left and right. Now look at these ones. You see how that little metal piece is up on this side, and on this side it's down. I thought I was tripping. I thought they did it for fitment issues or something, but nah, Chevy just didn't use 2 different left and right ones. It's just one for everything. If you guys don't know, the NPP valves are exactly the same as these AFM valves. And if you guys are wondering what I'm gonna do about my AFM valves, the Corsa mid-pipe deletes the AFM valve. So essentially these won't work anymore. Eventually I've got a more long-term solution, but in the meantime I'm just going to zip tie these up somewhere out of the way so that it doesn't throw any codes, and then I'm going to do something to disable the AFM valves altogether, but y'all just going to have to stay tuned for that. If you guys don't know what the AFM valves are, these essentially, the AFM valves is the air fuel management. So if you guys have a V8 automatic and it cuts down to 4 cylinders, these AFM valves right here actually open and close a little bit so that when it's in 4 cylinders, it'll actually give your exhaust like a weird sound because the gas coming out won't be equal. So this kind of helps, I don't know, it adds pressure or something, but it makes it so that it doesn't sound funky once you go into 4-cylinder mode. We got the grommets taken out here, or the hangers, grommets, whatever you guys call them. We got these ones removed right here too. Now, just need to slide this exhaust off of these bolts here, and then this hanger right there, slide them out of that hanger. These ones were a little bit of a hassle. If you guys get a big set of pliers like this is what I used to actually get it off of there. It worked pretty easy. If you guys are wondering why I got the strap here, it's to hold the back part of this exhaust up, and then I've got that stand to hold the front of the exhaust up, but I just don't have a second one to hold the back while I take things loose. This should also give me a little bit of play, so there we go. So if you guys are doing this, you don't actually have to slide these off of that hanger. I was wrong. You just slide this bracket right here off, and this whole exhaust hangs. Now I've got it held right here by these straps, but yeah, now this thing's all loose. Oh, looking good, you guys. So as you can see, I got that side off. This side slides off. Now if you guys can see there, it looks like it had some kind of a gasket sealer or something in there. I don't know if my new pipe will have one. I don't know how important it actually is, but yeah. So I'm gonna slide this out. Everything's loose back there already, so I literally just gotta loosen up this stand right here, take that off, and this whole thing should just drop right out this thing. This the homie Duke. This the shop dog. That's what we're gonna call him today, kicking it with me. Check this out, you guys. I'm literally a one-man show out here right now, and bada bing, bada boom. Actually, shout out to my grandpa for the idea about these straps so that I even could do it on my own. So these are the cats right here. If you guys have never seen the inside of a catalytic converter, it's literally just like a mesh metal screen. It's not really an actual filter or anything like that. It's got some type of, whatever the metal it's made out of, it changes the chemicals that actually come out the back. Holy shit. This thing is heavy as hell. If you guys are doing this and you take off the whole piece, don't try to move it all by yourself. This feel like it gotta be, I don't even know how much it weighs. It was stupid heavy. So here we go. This is Corsa's NPP exhaust right here. Let me turn down the music, hold up. So here it is. I got my exhaust totally dropped out of there. This is Corsa's NPP exhaust. Now, I've got a full in-depth video going over exactly on how all of this works, the double X pipe, so you guys go check out that video. But these are the valves right here that are new. Of course, I went with the black tips. It's like a black chrome. So let's go ahead and get this thing on. Woo! All right, y'all, so we got this double X pipe put on now. As you guys can see, took a little bit longer than expected because I ran into some issues kind of beating on it there. So I messed around and dropped this pipe from only like a foot, and sure enough, it dented this up right here. So I was banging that back out. I probably wasted, I don't know, an hour banging that out. I was just trying to be gentle so I can get the curve back in it, but it all worked out. I got it attached there, got it back here. Now we're just gonna put the MPP on. Let's get it, let's go. Please, you guys, look at this. Might be too dark over here, but this exhaust tip will cover the entire stock exhaust. Get it up close so you guys can really see how much bigger these things are. Woo-wee. So for this Corsa NPP, if you guys have the stock MPP, then you know that it's normally located right here. And so there's the wire there, but oh, it's dark in there. Anyways, there's the wire there. Corsa has their own little extension here. So I'm gonna plug the extension in so that I can get this actuator up over there. Also, I need to double check that this valve is actually open because that's how I shut my car off. So I need to make sure that it's gonna line up. Hope the lighting's okay for you guys. So it took a little longer than expected, but we got it, y'all. Looks like that light's kind of flushing things out. So we got the Corsa mid pipe installed right here up to the primary cats. Here's the double X pipe. We got everything, cross member put back on, all good. I mean, this system is clean, you guys. It fits in here so well. Got all this hooked up. Now my AFM valves, if you guys can see it there, right there, the light's kind of dark, but I got them zip tied up here, kind of like to the frame. So those are up out of the way. I may go back and mess with this later, but I don't think it'll bug anything right there. I think we're good. And then we got it all level. Got my tips back here. Oh, I need to take the plastic off. So I gave myself 1 finger space, a little tight there, going all the way around. So what I did on this side too is just 1 finger space. That should be good to keep the plastic and stuff from melting, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic off, get this sucker down, and we're gonna do what it do. Let's get it, y'all. It's the moment of truth. Go, y'all can't even hear me. Let's go. Ooh, that shit sound raw. I know y'all don't care about valves closed, so I ain't even gonna show you. It's a full-blown race car. Let's go. Boy, in the 6 though. I'm so juiced right now. I can't even tell you guys, like, I'm just smiling ear to ear, man. This is hell yeah. Y'all get the chance, get the Corsa MPP. I mean, we're cruising at 56. You see the RPMs. It's silent. I mean, I don't hear nothing right now. It feels like I got the stock exhaust and I got it on quiet mode. Like, I don't hear nothing right now. It's amazing how much this exhaust quiets up when it goes into touring mode. I don't think that hold on, we're driving. I don't think that I filmed a video of me actually flipping it into the police right here. Hold up, y'all know the police be hating. Anyways, so I don't think I actually filmed a video of my car going into touring mode and going back into sport. What you doing, homie? Appreciate you, dog. Appreciate you, truck. That it sounds, you guys. Got that bark. Now I'm gonna be driving around town acting dumb for no reason. So once I've had the exhaust for a little while, I'll go ahead and give you guys like a more thorough review on it. I definitely will have some videos coming of all the stuff everybody wants to see, but yeah, I'm hyped so far. Got the scatty. All right, y'all, we back at the crib. Let's check this out again right quick. Oh, wait. Look at them tips, boy. Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna have a video out tomorrow for you guys, explaining more about those, going over everything with you guys. It's been a long day already. I think I destroyed my phones, y'all, for real, for real. Man, check them out right quick. That's what they look like. And that's what they look like. It's all, man. I don't see if I could save them, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. We gonna see, y'all. Let me cut this off right quick. So yeah, that's the video for today. I'm so juiced about my exhaust. I can't even tell you guys. I love the bark, I love the roar, I love all that shit, y'all. I love it all. So stay tuned. Y'all gonna get a bunch of videos on it. I'm gonna be all in your face with it. It is what it is, y'all. But this your boy Whisper Thing. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'm up out this thing, baby. Peace.